I bet you didn't know that you can transform your life, grow your wealth, and master success, all while doing your daily routine. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. What if I told you that in just 8 minutes you could learn the exact formula to start building wealth, even if you're starting with as little as $100? No, you don't need to be rich. No, you don't need to be a finance geek. And yes, you can start today. Let's break down the simplest path to growing wealth through stocks and real estate, even if you're a total beginner. We're diving deep into the strategies that built my portfolio, and I'm handing you the blueprint. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making your money work harder than you do. Are you ready to become financially free? Let's go.
Good news, your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books, only $2/month after your 30-day free trial. And guess what? You can cancel anytime, no risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today.
Let's be real. Saving money in a bank account is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Inflation eats away at your cash every single year, making it lose value over time. You work hard for your money, so why let it just sit there? But investing? That's how you turn your money into a wealth-building machine. It's about putting your money to work, so it earns more money for you passively. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it picks up more snow, it grows exponentially. That's the magic of compound growth. Say you invest $100 a month with just an 8% annual return. In 20 years, you'll have over $55,000. That's the power of compound growth in action. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. But where do you start? 2 words: stocks and real estate. These are the cornerstones of wealth building, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. We'll cover the basics, the strategies, and even some of the mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start investing like a pro. So, whether you're just starting out with your first $100 or you're ready to take your investments to the next level, this video is for you. Stick around and let's unlock your financial freedom together. First up, stocks. Forget the Wall Street jargon, it's simpler than you think. When you buy stock, you're buying small pieces of big companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. You become a part owner, and when they grow, you grow. Think about it. Every time you shop on Amazon or use an iPhone, you're contributing to a company's success. As a shareholder, you get to share in that success. But here's the key to stress-free stock investing. Start with ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks giving you instant diversification. My go-to? The S&P 500 ETF. It's like owning tiny pieces of the 500 biggest companies in the US, a recipe for steady, long-term growth. Now, let's talk tools. Forget the complicated trading platforms. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity are super beginner-friendly. You can buy and sell stocks with just a few taps on your phone. And remember, investing isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. That's where dollar-cost averaging comes in. Invest a set amount regularly, say $50 every 2 weeks, no matter what the market is doing. This strategy takes the emotion out of investing and ensures you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. It's all about consistency and playing the long game. Remember, you're not gambling when you invest in stocks this way. You're growing your wealth slowly and smartly by owning a piece of some of the world's most successful companies. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about real estate, one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. While stocks offer diversification, real estate provides a tangible asset, a place to call home, and the potential for significant cash flow. But you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. In fact, there are strategies specifically designed for beginners. First up, house hacking. This is one of my favorite strategies, and it's how I got my start in real estate. You buy a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Here's the beauty of it. Your tenants essentially pay your mortgage, allowing you to live for cheap or even generate positive cash flow from day one. Take Sarah, for example. At just 27 years old, she bought a duplex with a 3% down payment. Her tenant's rent covers 90% of her mortgage. That's the power of house hacking. But what if you're not ready to become a landlord? That's where REITs, or real estate investment trusts, come in. These are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate properties like apartments, shopping centers, and office buildings. By investing in REITs, you get to participate in the real estate market without the hassle of owning property directly. Plus, they often provide passive income through dividends, making them an excellent option for beginners. Remember, you don't need $1 million to start investing in real estate, just the right strategy. Whether it's house hacking, REITs, or exploring other options, real estate can be a powerful wealth multiplier. Chapter 4. Now here's where most people mess up, and how you can avoid these common investing pitfalls. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time to invest. Listen, the perfect time doesn't exist. The stock market will always have its ups and downs. Don't try to time the market. The fix: start small and be consistent. Remember dollar cost averaging? That's your secret weapon. Mistake number 2, going all in on hype. We've all seen it, the crypto craze, the meme stock frenzy. It's tempting to chase those quick gains, but it's a recipe for disaster. The fix: stick to a balanced approach. Allocate around 80% of your portfolio to core investments like index funds and real estate. Keep the remaining 20% for higher risk ventures if you choose, but don't bet the farm on them. Mistake number 3, not doing your research. Investing without understanding is like driving with your eyes closed. It's crucial to know what you're investing in and why. The fix: use tools like Yahoo Finance for stock research and BiggerPockets for real estate insights. And of course, subscribe to my channel and other reputable YouTube creators who provide transparent and educational content. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By avoiding these common mistakes and staying focused on the long term, you'll be well on your way to building lasting wealth. You don't need to be rich, you don't need to be perfect, but you do need to start. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built with small, smart decisions over time. The information I've shared with you today is the same information I used to build my own portfolio, but knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. Like, share and subscribe if you're ready to make your money work for you. Drop a comment. Which are you more excited about, stocks or real estate? Let's build this future together.